This is a Philips CD player. The model is CD150. Philips has been making CD players back in really early days, around probably end of 1970s. And this particular model, CD150, was introduced in the mid-80s, and this particular one was made in 1990. Now this CD player actually belongs to my uncle, who has been my mentor in terms of my audio journey for about 30 years. Yeah, that makes me a bit old, but anyway. And we have been loving Philips CD players for a long time. We also loved the Marantz variations of the same, well, similar CD players, or Marantz based on Philips CD players too. And he lent this player to me so that I can have some fun with it. Now, previously I had Marantz CD80s very long time ago. That was back in 1990, early 90s. I had a Marantz CD80 for roughly 6 to 7 years, and then I sold it to my best friend in Australia, and she's still using the player until now, still running very well. In terms of the specification of these CD players, the mechanism is a Philips CDM2/10 mechanism. It's a resin-based mechanism and is not like the really famous CDM1, which has a die-cast aluminium frame. It also uses two TDA 1540 D2A converter chips, two of those, and each of the chips is actually running at 14 bits, not the 16 bits of the native CD format. Now, how Philips was able to use a 14-bit decoders back in those days and still achieve some of the 16-bit decoders that other company is able to do, nobody knows. But there was a while Philips was debating that the 14-bit decoder was doing just as good. Now, in terms of the sound quality of these CD players, it's probably lack the ultra high definitions details of the current high-end systems, of course, because this is such an old machine. But it is actually giving really good music, especially its expressions. Over the range from like the treble, the mid-range to the bottom is actually very even and warm sounding. Bass is also well defined. Now the Philips is actually a very simple CD players in terms of its operations. So you have the power button here, and then notice that you only have 9 buttons and then 10 including the power buttons. That's all it has on the player. So after you turn it on, in order to load the disc, this is the button for it. It does open, close, and stop. So upon opening, response is actually very fast. Upon closing, pressing the close button, it is also very fast, and it will read the number of tracks on the disc. Notice that it actually wouldn't play anything until you start with pressing the start button. And it reads tracks pretty quick. Now if you want to restart this track, press the start button again. To change track to the next one, press the next button. In about 1 to 1.5 seconds, then it will change the track. And the response is fast. To go back, it's also very fast. This is a time track button where you can, look at the track, the current track that is playing, or to show the time that it is, running so far. This button is actually for program. So, in order to do a program, you actually have to stop the player. And then select, say for example, if I want to listen to number 2, and then number 5, and then number 7, and then press start, it will go to number 2. And then if I want to listen to the song that is in my program, the next song, press the next button. And lastly, notice that on the front it has written remote prepared. What it means is that there is a socket at the back of the player. You can actually connect it with the remote control, which is EM2000, which is that's the model. It's available from Philips and is a wide remote. But I don't have that with me. And that is the simple operations of the CD150. Let's listen to some samples. Now for myself, I currently do not own any Philips CD player, nor any Marantz CD player. But if I am to get one of those, I actually not sure which model I would get. Whether I would go for an older one like this, or a newer one, like whether the later CD94 or the 99 SE, or the earlier models like this one or the CD100. I'm not sure myself, but it won't be my only CD player if I'm to get one of these. It will be one of the CD players, because the CD players, warm sounding, very involving, very expressive sounding, it's very enjoyable. Every time I turn on music with these CD players, during the time when my uncle lent this CD player to me, my foot keep tapping. And it's just so easy for me to actually fall into the music world. I wouldn't really think about definitions, I wouldn't really think about micro details, micro dynamics, but it is just music that is giving me. I hope you like this video, and I hope that this video is going to give you more information about the overall of the CD150 if you are to get yourself one of these vintage Philips CD players. And during the COVID-19 period now, stay safe and take great care.